So in today's video, we're giving the cows the first lot of silage for 2024 at the clamp. We saw the northern lights, which was good, and we have a really good view when they do come, because we just look over my nana and granddad's house and it's right there, and then we're also, what are we doing? Oh yeah, we're clearing the shed out too. And please do subscribe to help my little channel grow.
Morning, Jacob.
Hello.
You alright?
Why have you got my hat on?
What's he saying?
Coming.
Whose is it?
Mine.
Yeah, well then. No, you're not having it.
So now we're going to open the silo clamp for the first time after second cut. Let's get it cracking. That's going to stack all the big tyres on this pile here. This reminds me of the stacking game at Diggerland. Can you put the last one out on without it tumbling over? He's done it. So he's just scraping all the rubbish in front of the silo clamp to make sure the rubbish gets mixed in with the new fresh silo. Let's get ready to take the tyres off. So Isaac and Grandad are sweeping up, getting the bits that the van couldn't pick up. So Dad's now going to get the new sheet grab onto the tractor. Our old one was no good, so we thought we'd get ourselves a new one. Well, no, so it was no good. It was old, rusty, and also it was leaving lots of waste silo on the walls of the clamp. fittings are probably different, but let's go see with Dad.
Red bench.
Right, give us that one, Isaac.
Are you ready? Ping! Ping pong ping. What, are you swapping the ends around?
Yeah, because these ends are right size for loading shovel. Pipes aren't long enough for loading shovel. So I'm loading shovel has straw blower on it most of the time, so we'll use loading tractor for this for now, eh? Watch. I don't think we'll do any other like that. It's not been used before, but just watch your eyes in face. Could be alright.
I don't need to stand down. I don't need to stand back. I don't need to stand
Yeah. Put them somewhere.
Are you also going to come out now? Are you also going to come out from me? Because you're standing over here.
The bloody ends of the pipes are wrong, so we'll see it. You can swap the actual pipe.
Dad, why have you never used this before?
What?
This.
I have, but all ram seals are knackered and it leaks oil out. Times are dropping out, it's all going a bit...
You need to take care of that one because it says do the times regularly. This one says
What's it said?
do the times regularly.
Well, that's the times they're welded in on that. The high times that are welded in. This one's all going rusty around bottom.
You can tell that.
And
We
then
can tell we've had this for 100 years.
some of the blades have dropped out at front, snapped off.
We can tell because we've had it for 100 years.
We've not had it for 100 years, has it?
And we've had it for about 10.
Not many of us been here for 100 years.
Granddad has.
He might look like it, but he's not. So... Oh, that's wrong fitting.
No.
Yeah, it's bad.
Puppet! You're a puppet!
Why are you getting hold of the bottom of it?
The bottom one's turning.
This is going to be a bigger job than Dad anticipated. So it's only a couple of weeks ago since we put this in the clamp, so let's see what it looks like. First we need to get the sheet off without letting all the water in. Like I said, it's only been a few weeks since we put it in, but it is a bit wet. By watching everyone else's videos, everyone was in a race to get it in, so at this point it's quantity, not quality. Possibly. Actually, thinking about it, it might just be the front because it don't look so bad further back.
That's got the worst one.
Yeah.
The test will be when we feed it to the cows. So Grandad's just put the mix in for the first time, and it looks like they like it. It's always nerve-wracking testing the new silo on the cows because they've got to eat it. When I say we want them to eat it, I don't mean just get it all down if they don't like it. We just want them to enjoy it to make them gain weight. I wonder what Dad's up to. What are you doing?
Go out on the shed, stacking it around that end, and stacking around the sheets. And no one else to put it, so should be alright round there. Bit of weather protection with them at building.
This could take a long time because he's got a lot of straw there. Perhaps we need to aim for a building for just for straw storage, because wet straw is useless for bedding. I've come to find Dad, but just look at the northern lights. Wait till I tell Dad what we just seen. Looks like he's been busy clearing the shed though. Dad, have you seen the northern lights outside? Looks like he's finished for tonight though. So if you've liked today's video, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. I will see you in the next one. Bye.